traders, our favorite stock, Meli. It's on turbooptiontrading.com many times. Listen, it's been a great trader for the last 15 years. We came down, we tested the 200, the 100, the 150. Then we got above the 50-day, and we just made a high of 1820, and the low was 1579. And they outdid Amazon. They did. They blew it out. Once again, sign up for the free 5-day trial. Meli, Meli. That is one that we cover, and we'll never stop buying it. We buy it long and we sell it short. Up 128 points, printing at 1797. Yes, let's make money. Let's rumble. The site's got everything you need to make money.